crossed paths with the sage. He stood at the edge of the field, leaning on a crooked staff, eyes the color of things long buried. He did not greet them, just said, "Only those who drink rainwater in moonlight will live forever." Then he turned and walked away. The monkey snorted. "That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Rainwater in moonlight? What kind of alchemy nonsense?" The monk tilted his head. "It's poetic." "It's ridiculous," the monkey snapped. "You can't bottle eternity in a bowl of nighttime drizzle." "Maybe you can," the monk said. The monkey stopped walking. "You don't actually believe that, do you?" The monk didn't answer. That night, they camped beneath an old sycamore. The sky was clear, no rain, only moonlight. They debated. Truth, the monkey insisted, is measurable, repeatable, testable, like banana ripeness or echoes. "Sometimes truth is what's useful," the monk replied. "So lies are fine if they're pretty?" "No, but some things are true in a way that facts cannot measure." The monkey threw a pebble into the fire. "You are impossible." In the morning, the sage was gone. No footprints, no trail. But where he had stood, a flat stone remained, weathered, cracked, and newly carved. "Drink gently. Under the moon, everything becomes one." The monkey read it twice, then muttered, "Still nonsense." But it sounded softer this time. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever dismissed something as nonsense, only to feel its truth much later in a different light? Have you ever dismissed something as nonsense, only to feel its truth much later in a different light? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace as you gently let go of the practice. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you breathing? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever dismissed something as nonsense, only to feel its truth much later in a different way? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.